I'm gonna see if I can share my screen. I know the market is moving, so I wanted to come. Let's see. I'm using this screen real quick. So I got screen 2, screen 1. Man, it's not showing me all my screens. Let's see if I can do the entire screen. How you guys doing? Oh wow. All right, cool. Let me see if I can get it over here. I see you guys is I got the Mastermind report. This is what we use when we're actually trading inside the Mastermind. And you can tell here we had it 20th through 25th. We had it deemed as a little bearish, and just going over some of the charts. I'm coming on here on live just to show some love. Let me pull this one over here. All right, put a little chart over here. I got my watch list, and just going over to like BTC. All right, coming over, we use Trading View. You see on the 19th, 18th, go ahead. Let's do a day chart. These charts right here. Let me pull this down. I'm over here playing with these charts. I wanted to come in and just get used to this red stream. So it's kind of a little demo. It's a little demo chart. So actually, if you were looking at the market, comp, it actually went up to 70 this morning. But bring it back over to Bitcoin. This drop, on the 20th, based on our Mastermind report, we were expecting the market to drop on the 20th, right? And it actually unexpected bad news, short bias. We go through this plan a month in advance. This comes out at the beginning of the month. And you see here, it says it was going to be bearish on the 25th, which, the 21st, we had this big drop. That tip right there is, worth just having that foresight to be able to say, hey, you know what? We expected a drop down here, and it went from, it was like, I think one of the biggest drops, especially for the stock market that we had in like about 10 years. So if you look here, it was like it fell off a cliff. So my report, it is basically, a trading plan. It gives us analysis, in advance. I was actually just working on the one for October. And so when people think about day trading, about swing trading, what they have to realize is like really the trade starts the day before. It starts the night before. Sometimes it starts a week before. You can actually trade looking at market cycles and looking at, you can trade monthly, right? You can anticipate certain months being down. So if I go over here, right, you see here from December 21st, these are week charts. So I'll go over here and let me zoom in, right? You can trade an entire month. So you can make one trade a month, right? Either up or down. At the end of the day, the market, only goes up or down. And from the beginning of the month to the end of the month, there is directional trades. A lot of people, the trading, they try to time the market exactly. And that makes it extremely difficult. When you give yourself time, normally you will see, you look at this year, it's been trending down. So in reality, if you had took, short, or if we said, hey, this is going to be a down year, and come January 1st, you took a short and just wrote it the entire year, you still would have gains, knowing that there's cycles in the market, there's monthly, yearly, for some of you guys, they even have 401ks, and I'm not giving no financial advice. You are able to call and tell them, hey, I want to go in a money market account. I want to, unfortunately, you're not able to short the market through your 401k unless you buy certain assets. That is something that you need to talk to your financial advisor about. But, I want to disprove, like, people talk about passive income. You'll always make more money if you're active. If you are active in your markets, are you active in your business, you can actually make small tweaks as the year goes on, the month goes on. Don't get fooled by being passive. There's nothing passive about life, right? I want to be an active participant in everything that goes on, right? The good and bad, you're active. Even if you don't do anything, you took an opportunity, you took a chance to not do nothing. So everyone right now is in the market, right? Whether you trade or you don't trade, you are in the market, right? Making a decision not to do anything, is a decision, right? Making a decision to say, I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna, I don't have to be a day trader, because people think of day trading as someone that's working, sitting in front of a computer all day. You can say, I'm going to be a trader. I'm going to be an active participant in the markets. The markets go up and down. I want to take advantage of the markets, whatever direction they move, right? Inside the mentality is when you have financial advisors, or you have, guys, that's advising you, they are also, supposed to get money under management. That's one of their jobs, right? Is to take money under management, right? And I'm just saying that your job as an individual is take your own money under your own management, right? I mean, that is you got a job, you go to work, you're responsible for being there on time, you're responsible for doing a good job so you can get a paycheck, right? And then you do all this work and you want to give it to someone else to manage, right? And all I'm saying is that maybe another idea going into this new environment is to take an active role in your income production, right? Active role into what you're making a trade for. So when we look at this chart, right, and we look at months at a time, since September 12th, right, the market has been going down. You can look at it weekly. You can trade week to week, right? Each one of these candlesticks represent a week. And so you see that it has been trending down. So even that, taking a position on, a downward momentum, we make it harder than what it is. It's like, can we identify the trend in the market? Have we identified that, the economy is, people are fearful, or they're hopeful? In a good market, hope and greed is sold. In a bad market, fear is dominating and nothing is sold. And so I'm saying during a bad market, don't just do nothing, right? I'm saying take an active role, and take control and be a participant in the trades that we're making. Everybody here that's listening to this right now is a trader. And, we're all trading something for something. So, this is not here to say, hey, join this group or join that group. It is saying that, hey, take control over what you can. And one of the things you can take control over is your finances. And on that note, that's not financial advice. That is a philosophy, right? A philosophy that we all share. We want to be responsible, be an active participant in our lives and our kids' lives. That is, that's important. So on that note, hope you guys enjoying September. October is going to be an awesome month. We got a lot planned. The DCG trade secrets, is being mailed out. If you subscribe, you will get the trading plan for the month of October. If you're in the Mastermind, you will get the full report. And, I think we're going to have a good, next, and look forward to seeing all you guys. In that note, peace out.